Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about English lesson 2, My Native Place. You can see the picture here, My Native Place. I love my native place, do you? You all used to get, in summer occasion, we used to go for the trip to grandparents' village. There you can see lot of things. So your parents will go into some places like Ooty, Kodaikanal and some grandparents' house they used to take you. Now here you see the lesson trip to my grandparents' village. On summer occasions, Santosh, a boy, he started with his parents going to Sirumalai. Their parents' village, Sirumalai even. Santosh is very excited to see all the place in the place. So he records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. He writes down in his diary what all he had seen, the scenery and what all the things he has saw. Everything he has written in the diary. So let's read this diary, what all the experience he had the visit during the trip to my grandparents' village, Santosh's village. So the first day, 10th April, Santosh went. He very eager to visit his grandparents' village. There he packed all the clothes and playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus, so he is so excited. He arranged all the things and he was sitting with the visit to grandparents' village. On 11th April, they were traveling in the summer. The weather is very pleasant in the morning. There's a greenery all around. You can see the picture here. There are many white cranes and you can see the picture here, white cranes and the crows in the fields, and there's no traffic. There's only one bus is going and no noise, no traffic, no air pollution in the village. It looks so greenery and look nice. And you can see after he get rid of the bus, he ran to meet his grandparents. He delighted to see the house surrounded by many big trees. So he is so excited. So around the trees, many fruits and some vegetables, some coconut trees, pomegranate, and all the ripe mangoes. He was so excited, and the mangoes are so juicy and sweet, and he was jumping like anything else. So many fruits like jackfruit, mango, neem tree, banana tree, pomegranate, coconut trees, and all he has seen. And 12th April, he is get up from the bed and he saw some coconut palms are swaying lazily. He saw the farmers are working in the fields. The crops, some of them was threshing the paddy. You can see the people how they are threshing the paddy. The air is filled with the sweet sound of birds singing in the trees. Enchanting, the most enchanting, the tastiest breakfast also in his he has never eaten like that. He has tasted in the grandparents' house. Because all freshen up and eat. He went to see the street and he want to see all the play where the tire and the people are playing with the tire. You can see here how the neighbors are playing. So he saw some of the friends like Pawai's friends like Amir, Peter, Umayal, and some of the friends he saw. One of the friend, Amir, is helping the father in milking their house. You can see here how the children are playing with the tire. You can see. And you can see here on the 13th April, the Pawai takes the village pond. So Santosh saw the village, how the people are taking bath here and they are sitting and washing the clothes and all. The girls are playing hide and seek. You can see that under the tree they were hiding and seeking, and some of the boys are climbing on the tree. So my mother and aunties take me to the river to refreshing them bath. The first time he is going and seeing all that. And because in the town area, the children used to take bath only in the bathroom, but in the village they will take bath in the river. So he saw everything. They talked to each other and lot of things they were shared. So I can see the bubbles in the riverbed and colorful, and fishes are swimming and the birds are flying. Everything is and I love the scenery. Santosh was telling. On the 14th April again they went back to our home in the city. So the grandparents' home was so enjoyable. So few days flew by so fast. How the days are fast, we don't know that much. He enjoyed in the grandparents' house. He realized that during the stay, he neither watched the television nor played video games. The town and all children used to watch always TV and the video games and that some of the things they used to play. But in village, not like that. They have no time to watch even TV or video game to play. Can we say something else here? You can see some of the meanings they have given. So you all can see the picture here. Santosh recording his diary. Santosh recording his diary by using his mother phone only. He has recorded. You can see here. And he saw some of the milking house and that breaking open groundnut pots, filling them, and some of the activities of the village the children were doing on the occasion day. Santosh's trip was so enjoyable to him, so he forgot to watch television play and the video games. I can see the picture here. They were playing and watching, and the whole day spent like this only. So the children are very enjoyable on the day. So Santosh enjoyed his morning walk. He enjoyed the cool breeze and the pelt, and the air was also filled with sweet sound of birds. So he could not swim. On the river he can't swim, but the other children used to swim in the pond, so he could not swim. So Santosh sat on a big smooth rock. You can see here how he's sitting. He watched the friends with warm expect. He saw the pebbles in the river wood and the colorful fish swim by. The river is so clean. Santosh could see the pebbles in the river, colorful and the. So I hope you all understand the story how the village the children. Okay, children. We'll see the next lessons. I hope you all understand. I'll read the meanings. Eager. Eager means keen. Occasion means holiday. Numerous, many in number. Threshing. Separating grain from crops. Enchanting. Enchanting means attractive. Expert. Well skilled. Match the following. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means sings. Cuckoo is to sing. Breeze. Blows. River. Flows. Fish. Swims. This match the following. Draw the line, and the question answers they have given I will give you later on. Some of the pictures are here. You can see here. Let us learn about some more tricks to change singular or plural. I am a lion, he says. We two are there. We are lions. One single one we say leaf. Many leaves. Single knife, knife. Many knives. You see the picture here, many of the pictures they have given, the exercises and all they are here. The sheep, deer, deer, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, loaf, loaves, fish, fish, geese, goose, mice. You can see the picture here, leaf they have given, the answer is plural form, leaves, mango, mangoes.